What if I told you that a single ball of yarn and a hook creates one most cherished heirloom in a baby's wardrobe? We have seen the basic pattern, but today we are stepping away from the ordinary. We are diving into the creative gallery of crochet baby romper design that look like they came straight off a boutique. Whether you are a seasoned pro looking for your next challenge or a beginner searching for that wow project, these designs are going to change the way you look at the baby wear. Stick with me because by the end of this video, you will have at least 5 new projects added to your must stitch list. First up, let's talk about the modern minimalist. In 2026, less is definitely more. We are seeing a huge trend in stone washed cotton and earthy tones. Notice the use of half double crochet in the designs. It provides the perfect solid fabric that's still soft but against the newborn skin. Look at the woolen button details here. It's two those small organic touches that elevate a simple romper into high-end gift. These are perfect for those boohoo baby photo shoots that are everywhere right now. Now let's pivot to something more nostalgic. Vintage inspired rompers are making a massive comeback. We are talking about popcorn stitch for the delicious texture and a delicate sculpt edge. If you look closely at this design, you are seeing a bloomer style extra room in the seat for those diaper days. Together with a soft drawstring, this is where you can really play with stitch definition. If you are using a mechanized cotton, this texture will pop and catch the light beautifully. Of course, crochet is supposed to be fun. For the little one with big personality, we have the character romper. For subtle bear ears on a hood to full-on strawberry theme overall, these designs are the ones that get the most awe at the baby shower. The key here is the silhouette. Keep the baby simple so the character details